We're going to show you how to use the Fluke Network SimpliFiber Pro to take a loss measurement. We'll use our SC interchangeable adapter and our multimode encircled flux test reference cords, or TRCs, which we've already cleaned and inspected. Using our encircled flux TRC, we've attached the light source to the power meter. We set reference using the one jumper method. Using a coupler, we've attached the second TRC, and we'll run a test to verify they're good. We should not get a loss greater than 0.15 dB. We're now ready to test. After cleaning and inspecting our fiber under test, we connected the light source and the power meter and are ready to take our measurement. You'll notice the source is alternating between 850 and 1300 nanometers, giving you both wavelengths in one result. We can now save the result. Later, we can import our test results into Linkware PC to review and print reports. SimpliFiber Pro from Fluke Networks.